Welcome. I wanted to start off by saying thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel to watch this video. Today we're going to be unboxing and swatching a gel nail kit that I found on Amazon from the company CandyLover. I like this kit because not only did it come with a storage case, but it also came with a UV/LED light. So we're going to be testing out all the products, swatching the colors, unboxing everything, and also just seeing how strong this light is. So yeah, just stay tuned. Just wanted to quickly mention there's a $3 coupon on Amazon as well. So let's get to unboxing. So, I'm not sure how this happened, but the handle came broken. So I'm going to try and use the base gel and the light to fix this. So even though the gel polish was something that I really wanted, the lamp right here, this is kind of a part of the main attraction when it comes to this product, because you don't want to go too cheap when you're buying lamps, because you want your polish to cure all the way. If you're going to be using polygel, you want that to get a full cure. So I'm really interested in trying out this light and seeing the quality and also the power and functionality. So this light is portable. It comes with its own USB power cord and then buttons for the settings of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. So if you push any of the settings button, it will power on and start the countdown. If you push it twice, it will turn it off, and it is hand activated, and it will remain on the last used time frame. So in your kit, you're going to get a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. For some reason, I guess during shipping, there was some spillage on my top coat. But anyways, we're just going to go in with this base coat. And first, I'm just showing you how thin it is. I'm a beginner, so I'm not sure if that's a good thing or bad. But I already am impatient once I decide I want something. So I am going to mention this broken handle to the company, but I'm not going to send it back because I already am impatient when it comes to waiting. That's why I have Amazon Prime. So we're just going to cure that in the light, and it looks like it's holding up pretty well, but I'm going to go in with one other coat. And just for some extra durability, I'm going to go in with a coat on the bottom, and I'm also going to cure that in the lamp. Then I just went in and cured everything for a full 60 seconds, and we're ready to start this unboxing. So in this CandyLover gel nail kit, you get 2 moisturizing hand masks. Off top, my reaction is that they smell really good. I don't know the fabric, but they're super soft and they have some type of gel consistency inside. You're also going to get a cute little manicuring kit that comes with a nail brush, alcohol prep pads. Now on the prep pads it says gel polish remover, but it does not remove gel polish. It just removes that tacky layer from the top. You're going to get some pretty nice cuticle nippers, a cuticle cutter, and also a nice little cuticle pusher slash scraper. That's going to be excellent for pushing back those cuticles and also removing product whenever you're soaking off your gel nails. And it also comes with some pretty nice cuticle oil, a buffing block, and a 100-180 grit nail file. So yeah, right here I'm just unpackaging everything and putting it in that upper tray just to show you how it all fits, and that even after it all fits, you're still gonna have tons of room for all your nail tech goodies. And just also showing you how sturdy and durable that base coat gel is. Look at that. Bam, bam. So all of your stuff and even more, your light, your cords, and everything is going to fit in this kit. Alright, you guys. So this was also purchased off of Amazon. These are some little, I guess they're like swatch tiles. It came in a 3-pack with 3 rings, which is like a lot. It's very affordable. I'll put the price down below. But it's gonna be a one-time purchase that's gonna last me a long time. So let's get into this gel polish. So my first reaction is that it's really creamy, and I wouldn't say it's thick, but it's not too thick. It's more on the creamy side. And I'm just testing that color out. At first I was like, why would I need a brown? But honestly, it's like a nude color, and it's really, really pretty, excuse me, on the nail bed. So yeah, I'm really liking how creamy and easy to work with these polishes are. Ooh. So my reaction when I first seen this color was jelly nail. So I mean, maybe you could mix this with gel polish to achieve that jelly look, or you could just go in with a little bit more on your brush and like not really push it into the nail, but slide it across like I'm doing right now to kind of achieve that jelly effect. And there's that second color cured, and that looks like it's going to be a cute nail bed color as well. So the next color is this really deep red, and it does have some shimmer to it, and just already without curing, it's super shiny. So there's that blue color again with one coat, and I didn't really like it. Maybe if I would have top coated it and seen how shiny it would look with one coat, but that's what it looks like with 2 coats. So this next color is a glitter gel, and it's super cute. It has small, medium, and large flakes in it, and it looks like it has some silver and iridescent flakes in it. So it looks really good, and here's a view of that glitter gel with 2 coats. I like it a lot. So our next color, honestly, I thought this color was like a smoky gray color, but I just did a video which I will be posting soon, and it looks more of a purple gray. But either way it goes, this is all of the colors swatched, and also the shiny top coat and matte colors. So right there on the end, that's what it looks like matte. And I'm just gonna put all of my little swatches on my first ever swatch ring. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys, and I'm so elated that you guys are tuning into this video. So yeah, right here I'm gonna show you how everything fits in here with room to spare. And you're all set, baby girl. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for many, many more videos to come.